Well, I think it's a speed breaker that we have hit. For sure, there's a slowdown that everybody is sort of witnessing. It's only to accelerate, the growth from here in terms of how do you actually make sure that a lot of the unwarranted stuff is cut out and kind of grow from here. So money investment, it's almost like how we do personally, right? When markets crash, we pull back, we don't invest because there's a lot of fear. But as things come back, money, we also start investing. The venture world is no different to that. So I hope to believe that in the next 6 to 12 months, things will start, coming back. So I think the whole open banking and the way India is evolving it is, very different to how the world is kind of seen open banking. And that is primarily because of the fact that at a very macro level, we have certain things that are going very well for India. Things like account aggregator, which is a very new phenomenon. The moment it kind of takes shape and takes off, we'll actually have very differentiated products that are offered. That's where I see hyper personalization happening. The way neobanks are coming out in India is very different to how it has happened in the West, right? So you have to deliver for new experiences, new categories of customer servicing. So therefore, it's an exciting time to be in India to be building hyper personalized products. So I think we are very very early in our journey as a country in terms of what fintech action can happen, and most of the products that we see today are what I call as first order products, right? So it is serving basic needs, right? You may want a loan, so fintechs are solving for that, access to that loan. When you're doing payments, there are UPI based fintechs that are solving for that particular need. What we will see in the near term, in the near future, is fintechs that are solving for second order problems, right? So can I manage my investment in an autopilot, right? So it will mean what are your loans that you have, what are the income sources you have, and what is your risk appetite. So a lot of this is driven by technology, and it could be meaning more than one regulated product coming together. So your investment could be in mutual fund, it could be in gold, or it could be in a fixed deposit with the bank. So that hyper personalization to the earlier point, and the fact that what fintechs can deliver in the next 2-3 years is where some of the new age products will come to life.